Be ready. 5 seconds to go. Sir, I fully agree with the Honorable Deputy Minister when he says that it should be our endeavor to see that there is much progress in the matter of electricity and that consumers get electricity at a cheaper rate. Sir, in our country, with the question of national reconstruction before us and considering the position of our coal receivers, it is very necessary to develop the other sources of power. I remember, sir, that in our student days we used to read about white coal, namely power generated from electricity in India. There is an abundant scope for developing that white coal, and if that is developed, it can bring about a very extensive transformation in the whole structure of the industry because if there is supply of cheap electricity, then cottage industries and a number of other industries can easily be developed, and the places which are still undeveloped industrially or where there are large potentialities of industrial development but there are certain other difficulties due to lack of coal etc can easily be developed. So sir, from the industrial development point of view and from the point of view of developing cottage and other industries as also from the point of view of the employment potential which is connected with these industries, it is very necessary that progress should be made in the development of electricity. This will help the consumers also because electricity is now being used for more and more purposes including the domestic purposes and with electricity. Stop.